Hey there, my fellow narcissists! I have returned to bless you with a useful tutorial on how to colour lazy polished wood surfaces. I use this technique when I don't want detailed wooden surfaces to distract the viewer's attention away from the main focus point of the image. This technique is a quote-unquote lazy technique because I don't bother drawing typical wood details. Well then, how do you know it's a wood surface? Good question. It's rather simple really. I hack your brain into thinking less detail is more using colours to portray the idea of wood. Okay, so I don't hack your brain, but what I actually do is exploit a psychological trick where if there is not enough information in an image provided, our brains fill in for the lack of information. But this trick only works if your brain can understand the information that is provided in the image, and that's why when done well with colours, less wood grain details can give wood a polished appearance. Okay, without further ado, I will get into the colours that I use to create this optical illusion. Bear in mind that I am using Caran Luminance pencils, but you can use Faber-Castell polychromos because the colours don't differ too much from Caran, so you will get good results either way. For the base colour, I use 736 olive brown 50%. I go over this with 025 green ochre, and then 846 raw umber 50%. The fourth colour is 039 olive brown, and after this, blend the colours together with 801 buff titanium, using medium to low pressure. No, I'm not done applying colours, but I will explain why I blend in the middle of applying colours instead of waiting until I have finished applying all the colour layers by giving you a colour pencil tip free of charge. Here we go. Are you ready? Well, I don't care if you're ready. I am. If you are having difficulty putting colour layers on top of the layers you have already, blending the colours together with buff titanium allows new colour layers to be more vivid so you can see them. If you don't push too hard with your pencils in general, you can repeat this process a lot without damaging the paper. This is a great tip by the way, because if you master it, you can guide the colours in the way you want, so you will essentially be able to do Photoshop with pencils. Okay, back to applying colour layers. The fifth layer is 548 raw umber, followed by 046 cassel earth. These 6 colours form the base colour of the wood. The next 3 colours are used to create shadows and the illusion of detail. This part can either make or break the illusion, so be careful when applying these colours. The first colour is 407 sepia, the second is 009 black, and the last colour is 866 burnt sienna 50%, which I use to blend all the colours together. Now in order to not jack this part up, before applying sepia and black, think about where your light source is. For instance, when I was colouring the wooden beams, I knew my light source was coming from above, so the shadow of the wood would be further up the beam towards the ceiling, and there would also be a shadow lower to the ground. Okay, so those are all the colours I used. In the video, you will see that I'm using the buff titanium blending tip to go over all the colour layers again and again until I was satisfied with the look. Thanks for watching. Until next time, before driving your car, remember to wear a helmet to protect yourself from pothole-related injuries. This is your dear leader, CH Narcissist, signing out.